Upgrade your field tester in minutes. RAK10701-P to RAK10701-Plus. Welcome to this quick upgrade guide from RAKwireless. If you have a RAK10701-P, you can easily upgrade to the RAK10701-Plus and unlock features like indoor-outdoor testing, real-time analysis, and more. Important reminder: please note, to use the new features, you'll need a WisGateOS 2 gateway. Why? Because the Plus features rely on server-side processing through a special extension. Step 1. Download the firmware. Start by visiting the RAK Download Center at https://downloads.rakwireless.com. Navigate to LoRa, then click RAK10701-Plus. Click the zip file to download and save locally. Next, let's upgrade your device using WisToolBox. Plug your RAK10701-P into your PC using a USB-C cable. Open WisToolBox. Select the correct COM port and enter the device details page. Go to the Firmware tab. Switch to the Custom tab. Click Upload and select the zip file you downloaded. After upload, click Upgrade. Wait for the progress bar to complete. Once the upgrade finishes, you can disconnect and reconnect the device. You'll now see it registered as RAK10701-Plus. Step 3. Explore your new features. Now that your upgrade is complete, here's what you can do with the Plus Edition. Perform indoor and outdoor testing with higher accuracy. View uplink and downlink RSSI, SNR, PLR side by side. Tag positions manually for point-based location testing. Export tag data for in-depth analysis. Connect effortlessly to 6 common LNS servers, and so on. Recap: what you've learned. How to download the correct firmware. How to use WisToolBox for upgrading. The key features unlocked in RAK10701-Plus. What's next? If you want to know how to use RAK10701-Plus and how to install the required extension, please refer to the video, How to Use Field Tester Plus for Indoor LoRaWAN Coverage. This upgrade gives your RAK10701-P a new life, all in just a few minutes. Let's start trying out the new RAK10701-Plus.